Hi everyone and welcome back. In our last session, we focused on WISE mecs and how entitlements are structured and controlled throughout the one platform. Now that we have seen how access is managed, the next question is, how do we confirm the user's entitlements are working as expected, and what do we do with the usage data we're now collecting? In this final video, we will explore how the one platform transforms usage data into clear and actionable insights. You will see how reporting helps administrators track activity, review access structures, and better understand how data is being consumed across the organization. Let's take a look. The last section that we'll be looking at is this at the bottom, reporting. This is where you can create and view usage reports. Today we'll be looking at this first one, but you can see that there are 9 standard reports that we offer. Reports are made by using simple SQL requests, and so they can be made based on your needs. By clicking this Generate New Report button and waiting just a few seconds, we're getting live usage data out of the SQL database. Once we open the report, you can see it's organized in an Excel-like format with login ID, site, last name, etc. At the top right here, you can see there's a sort report data where you can sort them ascending, descending, all like that. You can also filter the information that's inside of this report. We're going to look at this column here, which is highlighted as service, and we're going to sort by FSD. So I'll quickly go in here and select service. I'll put in FSD here, and I'll click apply filter. And you can see that now there's only FSD services available here. The last option here on the top is the ability to export, which means you can export the entire report or just the filters you've run on this report, making it easy to share the information that you've gained. Going back to the All Reports page, I just want to highlight a few that of particular value. These usage data reports are extremely useful for seeing how individual users are accessing market data and what instruments or product groups they're spending their most time looking at. This can help you decide on whether users should have access to market data or if they should have access revoked. Specifically, this unused permission report can guide you to understand which users have access to a product group like New York Stock Exchange and yet never uses it during this time frame. This is to help you reduce costs and more efficiently run your market data platform. All of these reports, as I said earlier, are configurable and you can make them on the fly should you need additional information out of your usage data. And with that, we conclude our exploration of reporting and the WISE video series as well. Over the course of this series, we've seen how WISE brings together visualization, monitoring, entitlement, and analytics from reporting. From building data workspaces in the data viewer, to monitoring market data infrastructure and focus, to managing access through MECs, and now to generating meaningful operational insights through reporting. And with that, we conclude our exploration of reporting and the WISE video series as well. Over the course of this series, we've seen how WISE brings together visualization, monitoring, entitlement, and analytics from reporting. From building data workspaces in the data viewer, to monitoring market data infrastructure and focus, to managing access through MECs, and now to generating meaningful operational insights through reporting. Each component plays a critical role in delivering transparency, control, and greater efficiency across your market data environment. WISE is designed not just to manage data, but to help you manage it intelligently and easily. Thank you for joining us throughout the series, and we look forward to continuing to support your success with WISE. Thank you.